Hello everyone, I'm back with Nano Learning 6. You remember we were doing steps to learn English for absolute beginners, and we were covering step number 3, which was speak simple sentences. We covered this part. We discussed the first words that we used while making a sentence, while building a sentence, and we covered this part in my last video. So if you haven't seen that video, that's not a problem. You can always find those links in my description box. Today I'll be covering these four words, these four first words, right? So first one is this. This is used for one thing near you, right? So what you need to remember is that it is used for one thing near you. Near you means something which is just at your hand's distance. You can just stretch your hand and pick up the thing, right? So for example, we can say this is a book, right? So like I just stretched my hand and there was a book lying near me, and I just picked up the book. So this is a book, right? This is a pen. So here's another thing, a pen lying near me. I just stretched my hand and picked up the pen. This is an apple, right? Now that is used for one thing far away from you. So it's opposite of this. The thing, although the thing is just one thing, but it's far from you. You might have to get up from your place, and go to other room, some other place to pick that thing up. For example, that is a book, that is a house, that is a car. Next is these. These is used for many things near you. Remember, it's just like this. The only difference is that it is now being used for many things, but it is still near you, right? You can just stretch your hand and pick up the things. For example, these are my shoes, these are books. If I just stretch my hand and pick up, so I can talk about these are books, right? These are apples, or maybe I picked up these pens from my table, right? Those are used for many things far away, so we are talking about many things but far away. So it's just like that, but that was used for one thing far away. Those is used for many things far away. For example, those are books, those are birds, those are apples. So I have compiled all these words in a table so that you can always go back and refer to it. I think that is all for today. But before going, as usual, I'll be giving some quick tips. Do not hurry. So don't be in a hurry to learn English. Take your own time. Take things slowly. Take things one at a time, and you'll definitely learn English. And show up daily. That means you have to practice every day. You cannot miss on it. Right? So if you liked my video and if you want to see more such videos, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can always find my new videos beforehand. Thank you so much. Have a good day.